Hello, how are you? This is a tutorial we are making on how to connect the cables to the video processor. With every new video processor you should receive a box like this with all the cables needed. You have USB cable, power cables, 1 or 2 DVIs depending on the type of video processor, and an HDMI cable. And this is how we connect the video processor. Right here on the back we have the sending card, the inputs and the outputs, and the power supply. We connect the power first, then we connect the HDMI input, one ending to the computer and the other ending right here at the HDMI input. Then we connect the DVI cable to any of these two outputs, okay? A or B is the same. We connect one over there and the other ending to the sending card right here. Then we connect the USB cable to the sending card. Not this one right here, the sending card. The other ending to the computer with a Windows laptop will do the work, so we can use the software later. And the last step will be connecting with the Ethernet cable that goes to the screen right here. This one is the first port, so if you are using only one port, connect it to that one, not this one, this one. Now everything is ready to make the software and the video processor scaling. Thank you.